Partnering with ABB for your mine hoist solutions gives you access to the most expansive capabilities, knowledge, and support base in the world. Bringing over 130 years of mining expertise, we've installed more than 1,000 mine hoist solutions and remain the only OEM delivering complete systems based on our own design for electrical and mechanical equipment, ensuring outstanding value and minimal risk on every project. Our range of hoists include everything from friction and kibble designs to solutions for sinking operations. Making deep ore extraction more sustainable is a critical objective for the industry. And mine hoists can enable sustainability in a range of ways, increasing uptime and efficiency, and reducing hoist and travel emissions through digital servicing. Fast, safe, and energy efficient, once built, our smart hoist designs emit zero emissions and can be powered by green energy. And ABB's digital monitoring services ensures total oversight of efficiency, productivity, and reliability, with local sensors monitoring all activity. With predictive maintenance and early warnings built in, hoists can operate at optimal capacity with absolutely no compromise on safety. ABB Ability Safety Plus for hoists is the first fully SIL 3 certified mine hoist solution, guaranteeing the highest level of functional safety possible. And wherever you are, you have access to remote support around the clock from our collaborative operations centers. Our hoisting experts are part of a 105,000-strong global team, allowing you to draw on unrivaled size and experience throughout the entire hoist lifecycle. Optimize your return on investment with safe, efficient, and sustainable mine hoist solutions from ABB.